There are two ways to load media. Start by pressing the Load Media button and start. Ensure that the lock lever is released. Feed the media down into the media slot. Feed the media through. Ensure that it's straight. Lower the lock lever. Press Complete. And to confirm your media, press OK. Once the media is loaded, you'll advance the media out to your printer, and you can advance as much as you need to according to your manufacturer's recommendation. Once you have accomplished the desired amount, ensure that the lock lever is lowered, and you're good. Another way to load media, start by pressing the Media Load button and start. Ensure that the lock lever is raised, slide the media down through the front of the printer. Continue to pull the media out to your desired length. Lock the lock lever and press Complete. And then confirm your media type and OK. Which method you choose is up to you.